front of me is ZTE Blade V70 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this press at the bottom and adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then tap on one of those repeat options: once, weekdays, and custom. If you selected custom, pick days of the week manually and hit save. Then choose snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat, or disable it thanks to this switcher at the top. Go back, hit alarm tone, select one of those options and hit OK, or select music at the top, pick any song from your device and tap on OK as well. Click on this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to turn off or on haptic feedback. Choose label to name it. OK to save its name and this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. If you want to edit it, click on it, change whatever you want to and tap on the check mark again. To get rid of it though, you just hold it and click on delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!